In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view dashboards and reports in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go for a quick snapshot of your sales performance and how to drill into the details when you need deeper insights. Start by heading to Analytics, then open Dashboards. This is your command center for high-level metrics. Think of a dashboard as a real-time snapshot that pulls together your most important numbers in one place. Things like pipeline health, deal velocity, activity counts, or revenue trends. If you're just getting started, pick a pre-built dashboard. These are ready-made collections of widgets designed around common use cases, so you can see meaningful data without any setup. As you review, pay attention to the time frames shown and the metrics most relevant to your goals, whether that's new leads, conversions, or closed revenue. If you need something more specific to your workflow, create a custom dashboard. Custom dashboards let you tailor the layout and the metrics you track, so your team sees exactly what matters most. Keep it focused. Fewer, clearer widgets typically make performance easier to understand at a glance. When you're ready to look beyond the snapshot and analyze the underlying data, go to Reports. Here, choose the module you want to analyze. A module is simply a category of data, like leads, contacts, accounts, deals, or activities. Select the one that aligns with the question you're trying to answer. For example, if you want to understand sales performance by stage, choose Deals. If you're reviewing outreach volume, choose Activities. Next, apply filters to narrow things down. Filters help you focus on a time frame, an owner or team, a stage or status, or any other criteria that matters to your analysis. Start broad to make sure you're seeing data, then refine your filters to isolate patterns or exceptions. Clear, well-chosen filters are the difference between noise and insight. Once your module and filters are set, click Run Report to see the results. You'll typically see tables and charts that summarize counts, values, and trends. Scan for outliers, identify top performers, and compare periods to spot momentum or slowdowns. If the report looks empty or off, double-check that you picked the right module and that your filters, especially date range and ownership, match what you intend to analyze. That's it. Use dashboards for quick, ongoing visibility and reports for detailed, filterable analysis. With this flow, analytics to dashboards for the overview, then reports with targeted filters and run report for specifics, you'll stay on top of performance and make confident, data-driven decisions in Freshsales.